Alright, let's do this. She has the hand. I have a handicap because
okay, almost ready for lunch. Let's try your glasses out real quick.
this is cool.
All right, every time. Nice.
Emma Nicole.
Charge must be scrappy. You're doing great.
Oh my god!
Keep it up. Start right over to you. And so do I.
Ah! How do you have that much?
Well done, team.
Got a handicap and you're getting all of them. It's not reaching mine. Oh my god! You say you have handicap and I'm over here trying to change it.
Stay laser focused with your laser focus.
Oh my god! You're winning so much!
I don't know how.
I don't know either. Like, what is going on? Like, I'm hitting them, but it's not counting it. You're at a disadvantage, guys.
Through the escape hatch. Follow sir.
Charge still batteries. Must be stopped. Phase.
You have, look at that!
Oh my god, look at this. Oh, Amber's coming back.
Oh yeah!
Look around.
Just
See?
That was
You won.
amazing. Great work. I'll take a video. You won.
Look at you.
Look, but Amber came back. She legit her butt
I
kicked.
was bad.
Mission accomplished, Space Ranger.
I'm, what am I?
But we're both space
We're
aces.
Space Ace.
Space Rangers, this is Buzz Lightyear. Congratulations on a successful mission. You saved the galaxy from Zurg's evil plan, and you did it with style. By order of Star Command, I promote you to Space Ace and Space Ace. You've shown what it means to be a true Space Ranger. We're proud of you. Until the next mission, to infinity and beyond!